What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. This is my 2017 Dodge Durango RT. What I'm about to show you may apply to many different Durango models and possibly others. Been noticing lately a little black spot right there after I park it overnight. First you think, okay, I've got an oil leak. Not so fast. Because when you touch it and smell it and feel it, yeah, it's kind of oily, but it's not motor oil. When you smell it and feel it on your finger, yes, definitely not motor oil. So with a little bit of research and whatnot, it is the motor mounts. These have fluid-filled hydraulic motor mounts, and this vehicle has over 100,000 miles now, 102,000. And they're starting to go, basically. So, if you have something similar, you've seen something like this underneath your vehicle, notice, like, say, my front wheel usually sits right there. And it's actually, it's got a little skid plate underneath, so it's probably running down and then dripping out the side of the skid plate area, or the front of the skid plate. So if you see something like that, that is very likely the issue. Especially if if you smell it and you go, wait a minute, that's not motor oil. I know what motor oil smells like, and that's not it. So yeah, have your motor mounts investigated. Unfortunately, that's not a job that the average little home mechanic can do. So I recommend you get a mobile mechanic who will come to you and do it, or of course take it to your local trusted shop or dealer and let them handle it for you. I have a mobile mechanic who does all the work on my vehicles now. Very convenient. And so that's it. And when you do these, do the transmission mounts as well, because you might as well. It's one of those deals. The cost of the parts will depend on if you get OEM or aftermarket. I recommend you get the authentic Chrysler Dodge parts. But if you want to save money, try and get the aftermarket parts and do a little research on your own. But yeah, look at it. You'd think it looks like oil. And I just had the oil changed recently, so it's definitely not that, because that is black as old coffee. And there's an old spot right there that's already dried out. Same with that one. Oh, that's it. Look for the thumbnail link that'll pop up at the end of this one for other videos about this car. Got all kinds of stuff about it. And other stuff on our channel, over 2,000 videos that you might find interesting or helpful. And if our video helped you or saved your life, so to speak, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen and send us a donation. We really appreciate it. That's it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you all later.